Hello everybody, today I will be making hot cocoa bombs. We use these dark chocolate chips and we put them into this pan, and that inside of that pan is another pan full of water, and we do that so it stays warm. And right now my mom is stirring it up so the chocolate will melt. They're just about ready. The chocolate's melted, so now we are going to start with the next step. So I have a pastry brush, and what I do is I paint a thin layer of chocolate in these molds. I am not good at this step, so my mom will be doing it for me. Next, my mom will put them in the freezer.
11 minutes later.
Now we will be adding a second coat. We have finished the second coat and they are going back in the freezer.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
This next part is the best. What we do is we pop it right out of the mold, and it makes a perfect half circle. For this next step, we will be adding the components into the hot cocoa bombs. So we get them out of the freezer, take one and fill it up with whatever we want to. For this one, I will be taking a tablespoon and a half of hot cocoa powder. I just put a teaspoon of peppermint, and I will be putting a spoonful of marshmallows in as well. For the next one, I will be putting in peanut butter hot cocoa mix and a spoonful of marshmallows. I just heated up this plate, and what we do is we will place this on here, and then the top ring will be melted, and then we will set it on top like that. And now for the finishing touches. We put chocolate on the top, and then we put whatever we want to on top of the chocolate. This one, we put peppermints on. That one got sprinkles. And my mom put coffee on this one. After it was all done, this is what the hot chocolate bomb looked like. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.